In this video, we want to take a look how to create a drop-down. You can see I have a product here and I want to show a drop-down here to say whether with personalization or without personalization. So for that, we have to do the following. We have to go to our Act dashboard. You have to click the button Create Field, select the product options and click Next. Now the Create page will open up. And we can first of all get started by entering a unique field name. In my case, let's call it Dropdown. We can already find it here in the list of options. We will click on that, and it will be added to the right side. Now we have to click the pencil. We can define the heading, the placeholder which is there. In my case, it's fine. And we can click here on Add Value to add more values. In my case, 2 values will be fine. Let's say without personalization and with personalization. And we can also write here if we want, please choose. And we want to have already without personalization pre-selected. Now we can close it again. We can now define on which product we want to show it. Just for your information, here you can also change general sizes and stuff, colors as well, but in my case it's fine. We will now go here to the targeting. We'll go to show fields on this product, can open up the resource picker, select our product, click select, and then click the save button. Now the field is being created. We can see the message is saved successfully. We'll return to the previous tab and we'll refresh it. So now we can see that here is our drop-down located without personalization and with personalization. So that's the option. That's how you can do it.